Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about paysafe, a popular online payment method. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, does paysafe have a limit? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I'm glad to be able to provide some answers. But before I get into the details, I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. So, if you're looking for specific advice about your finances, I recommend that you speak to a qualified professional. With that said, let's get started. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a payment service provider that offers a variety of payment solutions. It's most popular for its prepaid cards, which can be used to make online purchases. But paysafe also offers other services, such as e-wallets and merchant services. How does paysafe work? To use paysafe, you first need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can add money to it using a variety of methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Once you have money in your account, you can use it to make online purchases. Simply enter your paysafe card number and PIN at checkout. Does paysafe have a limit? The answer to this question is yes and no. Paysafe does have limits, but the specific limits vary depending on a number of factors, such as your country of residence, your payment method, and your account status. Here are some of the most common limits that paysafe imposes. Transaction limits. Paysafe may limit the amount of money you can spend in a single transaction. Daily limits. Paysafe may limit the amount of money you can spend in a single day. Monthly limits. Paysafe may limit the amount of money you can spend in a single month. Annual limits. Paysafe may limit the amount of money you can spend in a single year. Withdrawal limits. Paysafe may limit the amount of money you can withdraw from your account in a single transaction or in a single day. How can I find out what my paysafe limits are? The best way to find out what your paysafe limits are is to log into your account and check your account information. You can also contact paysafe customer service for more information. What can I do if I reach my paysafe limit? If you reach your paysafe limit, you will not be able to make any more transactions until you have increased your limit or until the current limit resets. You can contact paysafe customer service to request a limit increase. Is there anything I can do to avoid reaching my paysafe limit? There are a few things you can do to avoid reaching your paysafe limit. Monitor your spending. Keep track of how much money you're spending with your paysafe card. This will help you avoid reaching your limits. Increase your limits. If you're likely to reach your limits, you can contact paysafe customer service to request a limit increase. Use multiple paysafe cards. If you have a lot of online shopping to do, you can create multiple paysafe cards. This will help you avoid reaching your limits on any single card. Paysafe does have limits, but the specific limits vary depending on a number of factors. If you're concerned about reaching your limits, you can take a few steps to avoid it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about paysafe, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.